Okay, guys, we have the Hot Wheel pullback speeders. On this box, we have a two car inside of it. Inside is Muscle and Blown and Porsche 914 Safari. Okay, guys, let's open the box now. Nice. The detail is nice. The decal is good. And the wheel is plastic. Nice. There's a chrome inside. The detail is good. Nice. Side, front. Now let's check the second car. Wow. This is the better car than the other one. Nice. I checked this one online. They said it's not a treasure hunt, but I don't know why they put the treasure hunt logo over there. Only this car that they put it on this Porsche, and I like the color yellow and the red line on the mags. Nice, nice decal. The detail is good. Is good. Nice. It's a pullback. Yeah, this one they did not confirm it if it's a treasure hunt, but some comment I check it on the internet. They said this is treasure hunt, and Yeah, yeah, and this one, the hood is will open the. I have to open this one. Yeah, I like this one. Porsche. I like the yellow one. Comment below, guys, if what car you like. For me, I'll go on the yellow one, the Porsche. I think this one is a fantasy car. Let's try to race them. I think this one will go for us like they said, like 10 meter far if you really wind it like a long wind until it stop. Yeah, that's it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and comment below what car you like.